Yes, ma'am. As long as I'm still loved, you know.
That's all that matters.
Here you are, man.
Do you have a apartment or is it
What?
is it apartment number?
Oh, yeah, 10 B as in boy, 2235, Fifth Avenue, apartment 10B.
Yeah,